Maintenance of device types within the Communication Configurator. The Softing Gateway FG-200 enables the easy connection of FF-H1 devices to Modbus and FF-HSE controllers. Up to 64 FF-H1 devices can be connected to almost any type of controller. In this video, we briefly introduce you to the maintenance of device types in the Communication Configuration tool. We will show you how to integrate and remove device descriptions. The device types that are defined by the device descriptions are maintained in the window Device Types. If the window is not visible, you can open it via the menu View, Device Types. The Communication Configurator is also used for the configuration of Softing Ethernet IP to Profinet gateways of Softing. Therefore, in addition to FF-HSE and FF-H1, also Profinet device types are maintained. Activate the filter for the category bus system and activate the option Foundation Field Bus. Now the Profinet device types are no longer shown. In the following, we will show you how to integrate device descriptions into the configurator. Therefore, you have to open the Type Catalog Maintenance window. Click on Import. In the Open dialog, select Foundation Field Bus. Navigate to the folder containing the device description and select the CFF file. Click on Import to integrate the device description. You can see that the corresponding device type has been integrated. Information such as, for example, the manufacturer and the name of the device type is displayed. In the following, we will show you how to remove device types from the configurator. Therefore, you have to open the Type Catalog Maintenance window. Select the device type you want to remove and click on Remove. You can see that the device type is no longer available. This concludes the maintenance of device types within the Communication Configurator. Further information can be found on our website industrial.softing.com. Thank you for your attention.